I see you, baby.
So what's up, everybody? It's your girl Natasha Nicole here, and today I'm gonna go get my eyes checked. Me and my son are gonna go run some errands.
Never.
He don't like running errands, but you know what? It's okay. So we're gonna go get my eyes checked because I need some new glasses. I need some glasses for whenever I'm looking at the computer and stuff, like my eyeballs, and I've just been having like headaches. So we're just gonna go do that, and hopefully I want to go buy TJ Maxx and go get some new bedding.
No, we never gonna do that. We never gonna do that. My mom lying.
I'm not lying. We just got some things to do, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna bring y'all along or not, but I guess we can just start making it a weekend vlog, because my weekly vlogs when I'm working are nothing. Like, don't I just work and come home and cook dinner? That's it. Like,
I can actually cook dinner for me.
Yeah, I do.
And Jay, he's fat.
But anyway, we're going, so we'll see y'all whenever we get somewhere. Hi guys, so we are back. Put your seatbelt on right now. So we're back, but Carter and I, hold on.
My mom forgot her credit card.
What's up, guys? So we're back, but
my mom forgot to bring her credit card.
I did. Listen, so we was rushing out the house this morning because you know I had an eye exam. I got my eye exam. I ordered me 2 pair of glasses, and I ordered me a pair of sunglasses. So I'm excited. All 3 of those should be here by like August 17th. So that's gonna be, you know, they pushed their time back a little bit because of COVID or whatever. But anyway, I was rushing out the house and left my phone. So on the back of my phone is like my card, my license. I don't have no license. None of that. So Carter and I gotta go back home. We just in TJ Maxx. I found a comforter that I wanted, along with the new work pocketbook that I needed to get to. And I get to the register and realize I didn't even have that. But it would have been so embarrassing had, thankfully, due to my insurance, I have a health savings account. So I had that card in my wallet, but like, if something would have been wrong with that and I had to pay like cash with my debit card, I only would have had like checks. So that would have been really bad and really embarrassing. They probably would have thought I wasn't coming back to pay for like my exam or anything. But anyway, that worked. We went in TJ Maxx thinking we had money and we didn't have no money. So we're on the way back to the house to go get my phone. Thankfully it'll be charged because it's on a charger. Carter's wanting a new toy. So our video game, so I guess we're going to Walmart. And I told him thankfully he didn't find nothing in TJ Maxx that he wanted, because we wouldn't have had the money to pay for it. So I got my stuff on hold at TJ Maxx. So I guess I'm gonna have to come back up here, which is 30 minutes away from where I live, to come in and get my stuff. But the boyfriend right now is in a golf tournament, I'm guessing, because it's not raining. So he was doing a golf tournament anyway, so I don't have nothing to do. Carter wants to go to my mom's house later, so I guess I'll just be chilling. I guess I'll come back up here and get my stuff. But yeah, that would have been so, that would have been so embarrassing.
No, we just said stop coming.
So
we're at
me and this
house,
and you know it. And you know it, but we came to Waffle House because, wait.
And my mom forgot her credit card again. She needed to use the bathroom, like she forgot her thing, and now she needs to pay the money.
Anywho, I went and picked up my credit card and everything, so we just stopped to get something to eat, and then we're going to Walmart.
Mommy, why are you acting like a little kid?
It's cold.
Cat
it's cold in here. Because it's cold in here. Ain't no cold.
Cat mommy.
It's not cold?
Yeah, that's cat mommy. Cat mommy. She's been in water. She's afraid of water. And cat mom does not like water because she does not like to swim.
Let me just tell you, y'all are ever a server and coming from another server, you don't have the chance or have the decency to listen to what people order. And bro, you don't need to be no damn server, because we asked her, we wanted our waffle cooked light, hard. What you want, man? Anyway, like I was saying, if you don't have the decency to listen to what somebody orders, don't be no server. Period. So we just came back from Walmart, and y'all, I'm tired and it's hot, but we just came back from Walmart, and so I bought some bedding stuff. I had seen this comforter at TJ Maxx, and it was like $69, but it was just a comforter. It didn't come with any like sheets or anything, so I was like, do I really want to pay that much? What do I really want to do? So as you can see, my bedding has been like this red and gray since my mom actually bought it for me for Christmas, which is December. It is now June, and it's just like, this comforter is like, or this is a pillow behind me, but this comforter, and it's like that same color on the back side, but I've been just like turning it over and just kind of using it on the black side. But it is so hot, and literally babe like gets to sweating, and it's just like a mess. So it's just too hot for a really thick comforter. So this time, let me show you what I bought. So this time I bought a, oh, ouch, ouch. And my room is a mess, so I can't even show y'all all the way what my room looks like, because it doesn't make any sense that it looks like this. You need help opening your thing? Yeah. Carter got him.
Hello, everybody.
Carter got a Fortnite gun, but all it was a little piece of tape right there. You can't get that.
No. I'm not strong enough.
Whatever.
What do you mean, whatever? Hey, everybody say Mommy's a big scaredy cat, because she was scared that she was stepping on water.
Here, man, get your gun. And it shouldn't be that hard to take out the package. I don't even think it's, all you gotta do is get your bullets and stuff out. Here, take all that stuff in your room. The whole thing. So, what I picked up, instead of actually grabbing an actual quilt, comforter, I found this, and it's still white, but this is just like a crushed white quilt. And I'm just thinking maybe this would be a little bit cooler because it's not like so thick and so like heavy as a comforter. So I was just thinking like, I don't know, I was thinking this would work better. And this was only $24 compared to the $60 I was about to spend on the comforter. And it only had like the comforter and shams for 60 bucks, but that comforter was like $100, but it was like super thick and super heavy, and I liked it. But I'm gonna put this on my bed and see what I think, because I haven't went back to TJ Maxx. Carter didn't feel like going back with me right now, so I just kind of left it alone. But I bought this $24, and I was able to buy some sheets. Y'all, I didn't go all out and buy like super expensive sheets, but these are just like the regular mainstay sheets. I think I paid like $21 for these, but I thought this was kind of cute because it's white and kind of like the cheetah print. And this came with a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. And I have a lot of pillows on my bed too, so I bought another one. This was like $5, and this was a set of 2, just standard sizes. I always buy king size stuff because I have a queen size bed, but it just stops my sheets from like rolling up. But I just found a thing on TikTok where they said if you put your sheets on when they wet, then they don't come off. So maybe that's been the problem the whole time. But every time I had queen sheets, and even though I have a queen bed, it was just like they always like rolled up on the sides or something. So that's a little bit aggravating. But now that I've seen that, I may go back to buying regular queen size bedding stuff, but I didn't this time. And I also bought these because they were on clearance. These are king size, but I use these for my body pillow. My body pillow, I like to put pillow cases on top, and usually the king ones work. I put one on one end, one on the other end, and it just kind of gives it like a new look, and right now it's red because my bedding was red. So I bought these and they were on clearance for $5, but when I got to the register they were like $2.50. So that's for my body pillow. And then I bought these gray ones. These were $4.95 too. I bought these gray, just kind of contrast a little bit with this and kind of throw some color in there. So in all I have like 6 pillowcases, and I think I have about 6 pillows. I do need to buy new pillows because some of them are flat, but we actually don't sleep on all of them if we use one at all, honestly. But I just like a lot of pillows on my bed. But I said the next time I buy pillows, I want to buy like these damn gnats, yo. But anyway, I said the next time that I buy pillows, I really wanted to buy some like goose feather pillows. I really wanted to invest in some pillows the next time I bought some versus like just the regular ones that go flat like they do. If you lay on them like for a month, they just like completely flat. So they're just more for look. So I'm about to redo my bedding right quick and see what it looks like. What's that?
It won't work.
Why? Did you read the directions? Go bring me the directions. Did it need batteries? Carter needs guns, and you know I hate like figuring them out. It needs batteries on it. It needs batteries on it. Let's see. It says to insert batteries. It needs 4 AAA. They're not included 4 batteries. We gotta get some batteries. So we can stop at the store and get some. And then it'll work by the time you take it to Hammy house. So we'll get batteries. But I guess you need batteries for it to shoot? Oh man, why we didn't know that? Because then it says first you gotta insert the batteries first. And then it says put the things in there, which you did that. Step 2, load it. You did that. And then that's your safety. You know your safety? Like look, when you press that, you see how it don't work? But you gotta press this one down for it to shoot. Press that down for the trigger. That's your safety.
Yeah, but where are we gonna get?
Oh, you hold down a button to turn on the motor and pull the trigger to fire dart. Oh wait. What parts is which? To hold down the acceleration button to turn. I let mommy do her bed and stuff, but we'll get you some on your way to Hammy house if we have to buy some new ones. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started on our bedding because my room looks a mess. And I'm a little bit tired too, I can't even lie. Carter's like, Mom, you're not tired? Like, actually I am. Okay, so I'm gonna get this done and then I'll let y'all see. So let me give you a pan what my bed looks like now. This just looks a hot freaking mess with this bread. Thankfully my box spring is actually black. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm just over it. The white on here just kind of looks dingy. It looked good at first, but I think I'm just gonna throw this whole comforter set away. I'll keep sheets, but I'm throwing everything else away. So let's see what the makeover do. this is my new bedding. I think I like it. I'm gonna see how well it actually like sleeps. That's my body pillow over there with the king size on there. And I just kept a couple of black ones that I had, I guess. I had more pillows than I thought. So I'm leaving these on there, but that's fine because these two are the ones that I really sleep on. The other ones just kind of get thrown over on the side anyway. But so far I like it. I do feel like it needs like some, you know, like some accent pillows or something like that. But Bae gets on to me about the pillows all the time. So I may just leave it like this. I need to decorate this room a little bit. But I'm thinking like, why, Tasha? Because I'm claiming my house. We're getting a house. I can decorate when I get there. But anyway, I just left the black in there so to tie in with some of the other stuff. Never mind all this stuff in the corner. But yeah, this is my bed. We're done. So I'm going to clean up the rest of my room. Just really quick. And we'll be done. Alright, so I got my room kind of clean. This right here is just a mess, but at least it looks nice. I got my little makeup area and this stuff cleared off, so I guess it's good for right now. But girl, I'm outgrowing this apartment. I'm telling you, me in this apartment are literally going to have it out. Like, I'm just outgrowing it. We got too much stuff and it's just a lot, so we just don't have nowhere to put stuff. I just need my makeup room and stuff back, because when I had that, not that I actually used it in my last place, but I need it back now because your girl is on you to the stay. Your girl's on you to the stay. I just wasn't about it then. I was just in a different spot in my life and things were different, but we're done. Carter has his gun. Don't shoot my son.
Guys, look at this.
Cool. That thing goes really fast. You gonna lose your bullets. But now I'm gonna try to clean my living room up just a little bit, but it shouldn't be like take me like more than like 10 minutes because I cleaned very thoroughly last week. That's more so just picking stuff up and putting it back in its spot.
I couldn't find thoroughly last week in your music.
Nobody asked you that, Siri. Bye, Siri.